Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to open recovery mode on this laptop. So in this video I am going to show you two methods which you can use to open the recovery mode on your laptop. But first of all, I'm going to show you how to access your recovery keys. You can do this either on this laptop if you have access to your system, or you can do this on a separate device. Doesn't matter, you can do it from your phone, but you're gonna need your recovery keys if you have a Microsoft account connected with your laptop, because this device, I'm not gonna lie, we're probably gonna trigger the BitLocker in this video, because BitLocker gets triggered really easily in this on this device. So you're gonna need to know your recovery keys in order to unlock your device once you see the BitLocker screen. So first of all, let me switch to another device on which I'm gonna show you how to access the recovery keys for your device. So open your web browser and open the search engine and search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Use this address in your path field to enter this website, Microsoft.com website. No third-party websites here. Okay, so enter your Microsoft account by first entering either your email or phone number. Then click next. Then enter password to your Microsoft account. And then to confirm your identity, you're gonna have to receive a code and enter it into the next field. You're gonna receive it either on your email or on your phone. So click send a code, and then check your email or your phone and enter the code into the following field. Once you enter the code, click enter to verify, and then you can decide whether you want or don't want to stay signed in. I'm gonna click no, and then let's wait until this website is loaded. And once the website is loaded, you're gonna see a table with 5 columns in it. Basically, if you want to check your recovery key right now, you're gonna have to know either your device name or the key upload date. The device name can be found in settings. Basically, once you open the settings on your device, you're gonna see your device name, and the key upload date is the date when you set up your PC for the first time, or for the last time rather. So if you remember when it happened, then you can check which of these devices on the list has the recovery key that you need. But if you don't know neither of these, then just look at the key ID. The key ID is something that we will see once the BitLocker gets triggered, and simply check the key ID once your device gets triggered by a BitLocker, then find the recovery key that matches this key ID, and this way you're gonna unlock your PC once you enter the full recovery key into the BitLocker recovery key field. Okay, so right now let me switch back to the laptop, and let me show you the first way that you can enter the recovery mode on your computer. So you have to open the start menu, then go to power options, and hold down the right shift button and press restart. Then wait until your device is restarted. Keep holding the restart button until you see the please wait sign on your screen under Lenovo logo. Okay, and right now you can release the right shift button, and then just wait until you see the recovery mode screen. This way we're probably not gonna trigger BitLocker. Okay, so right now you can either navigate here using your arrow keys, or you can use touchpad instead. So for example, you can go to troubleshoot options. If you want to navigate using your keyboard, basically you have to press enter to enter and backspace to go back. So we can go to advanced options. Now basically anywhere you want to go. Okay, but now I'm gonna select turn off your PC option and wait until the device is turned off in order to show you the second method of how we can enter the recovery mode, in case you cannot access your system and you cannot enter the recovery mode in the first way, using the first method. You can basically force your device to enter recovery mode by turning it on and then turning it off again once it starts booting up. So once you see the Lenovo logo on the screen, hold down the power button and wait until your device shuts down. And once your device shuts down, press the power button once again and then wait for the Lenovo logo to reappear, and at some point you will see preparing automatic repair on your screen, and at this point you have to stop turning off your PC. So let's turn it off again and then let's power it on, and at this point the device should show the preparing automatic repair screen, and once you see it, once you see it, don't turn off your PC, just wait for the recovery mode to appear. But it's most probably that we're actually gonna trigger the BitLocker screen, and that's just exactly what happens. So right now, what you gotta take a look at is the key ID, which is right here, and only look at the first part of the key ID. Now search for this key ID on the table that I showed you previously, and show the recovery key that matches it, and then enter this recovery key into this field. Okay, and once you enter the full recovery key, just press enter and wait until your device is unlocked. And we're still entering the recovery mode, by the way. So let's wait for the following screen to appear. Okay, so right now you have to click advanced options, and we are back in the recovery mode. So you can navigate using the same ways, methods that we used previously, and still you can select everything that you need. So I'm just gonna continue and boot my device into Windows. And that's basically all for this video, so thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.